This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for EURUSD for the upcoming week. And as usual, I'll start with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that price has gotten to this resistance level here, or support level, sorry, around the 1.037 area, which is an area that I've been targeting for quite a while now. And if you take a look all the way to the left, you can see that this area here has been tested several times. So it's a very strong area, and I'm actually expecting for this area to hold. And so the price may not break through this just yet. There may be a bounce to the upside. I don't know how far price is going to bounce from this area, maybe up to this previous support to now resistance area around the 0.15 area. So price may end up bouncing to that area or maybe a bit further up, but I think this area is going to hold, and then there may be a little bit of bounce, maybe a retracement even, before price continues to the downside. But if price doesn't bounce up and continues, then whatever candlestick breaks this resistance, this support level will be a very strong candlestick pattern, and then price will go all the way to the next significant support level, which is around the 1.01 area. Now, if we take this to the daily time frame, so we can see closely what's happening, we can see that price ranged a little bit. I've been on this trade for quite some time, and I'm expecting price to get to my target, and then price started ranging and formed this triangular pattern before breaking through it, giving us a very good trading opportunity down here. And I hope you're able to capitalize on the breakout of that range as well. So as I was saying, this is where we are now. Price is currently at this support level, sorry, and has formed this candlestick pattern. So this is more or less a Haramai candle, so a baby bar with a mother bar. And what we do, like I always mention, is to trade this inside bar, to trade the baby bar, putting your line just at the high of the candle and then your low at the low, and we'll be expecting to see wherever the candlestick closes above. So like on the daily time frame, for example, if the next daily candlestick closes, or any of the candlestick that closes above or below this candlestick pattern, will indicate where price is going to go. So if the candlestick on the daily time frame closes above, then most likely price will continue to the upside, and if it closes below the low, then price will continue to the downside. So that's more or less what we are seeing. Price may end up shooting up, but if the day closes and it doesn't close above, or it may end up shooting down, and if the day closes and it doesn't close below, or rather closing inside this range, then we need to hold on and wait for a candlestick that will close either above or below before we trade that. And then if we go to the daily time frame, sorry, or the 4-hour time frame, we can see what's happening here as well. So this one here as well is more or less an inside bar here, like that form, and you can see that the next significant candle here closed above this area, and then price went to the top. Price came back to retest it again into this candlestick, then bounced all the way to the upside. So if normally you were going to trade that inside bar, okay, you would have entered on the close of this candle, yeah, that closed above it. Your stop loss would normally be just around the low down there, okay, and then you'll be looking for a take profit at the next significant resistance area, which will be here, okay, for a 2:1 risk to reward ratio. So more or less this is what we'll be looking at anyway in the upcoming week. Like I said, this move may just be a retracement to the next significant resistance level around the 1.05 area, or price may even get a little bit higher to this resistance level here before bouncing. But I expect that price may get here before bouncing to the downside, breaking this area here, possibly retesting it and then continuing to this down move. On the other hand, price may just quickly shoot down from here and then break this level, closing below it, retest, and then continue to the downside as well. So basically what I'm saying is that we are at a very significant area, and all we have to do is to wait for this range that I've indicated with this green line to break. Price breaking above this most likely will lead to price continue to the upside, and price below breaking below it will most likely lead to price continue to the downside. And as you can see on the daily candle, we can see that this is more or less, or not on the daily, on the weekly, on the hourly candle, we can see that this is more or less a double bottom pattern forming here as well. So this more or less would indicate a price, going mainly towards the upside. So if you're not already in this trade here, what I would say is wait for price to break this neck of this W pattern, and then you can look to enter your trade there. When price breaks that area, put your stop loss just somewhere here below this low here, and then you take profit to probably be around this area, so around 70 pips, 80 pips that you'll be looking to capitalize on for this particular trade. So if you're a day trader, this is one thing you need to look out for, especially on Monday, because this can happen, and it's easy for you to get a good 70 to 80 pips on a Monday. That's a very good trade as a day trader that you can capitalize on as well. So this has been my analysis for Euro USD for the upcoming week. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for my analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the